Salam! Welcome to the 5th Learning Persian Alphabet video. I'm Negar from Farsi Mode, and today we are going to teach you how to write sh and z. You've already learned the shapes of these two letters and how they connect. So you only need the final touch, I mean the dots. It's interesting that in some languages like Korean, the z sound does not exist. So they pronounce it as j. To practice the pronunciation of z, think of a B and its sound. Try to pronounce this sound correctly, because in some words, pronouncing z as j can make trouble for you. آماده‌اید؟ بریم شروع کنیم.
زرد زرد سبز سبز شیر شیر تیشرت تیشرت شش شش زشت زشت زرد سبز شیر تیشرت شش زشت زرد ز سبز ز شیر ش تیشرت ش شش ش
How was this video? Hope you're not bored with the number of dots in Persian script. Because the bad news is that more dots are coming. But don't worry, you'll get used to it by practicing. Don't forget that the dots are very important in Persian script, and not putting them in their right place can cause misunderstanding. Please leave comments and write the Persian words you've already learned in the comments. If you like this video, please share it with other Farsi learners. میبینمتون. خدا نگهدار.